Hi, my name is Eli and this is Tech Talk. Today what we're going to show you how to do is to install the WhatFont extension for Google Chrome. Now what I need for you to do is come down here to the bottom left hand corner of your screen, go into the search bar and look up Google Chrome. Then from there what I need you to do is to paste the URL I put in the description down below into your search bar. From there just click enter. Now it'll lead you to a page that looks something similar to this. It might change in the future. If that happens, that's okay. Just here, come up here to the top left hand corner, search the store and type WhatFont. Then from there what I need you to do is to click on this extension and it'll send you to a page that's somewhat like this, and then click add to Chrome. From there it's going to ask you if you want to actually add the extension. Just click add extension and boom, you've added WhatFont to your computer. Now if you have any questions about what we talked about today, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get back to you as fast as I can. This has been Eli from Tech Talk. See you next time.